Useful common idioms. Learning goal. Students can read common sentence patterns in useful common idioms.
An idiom is a common phrase which means something different from the meaning you will find in each of its words separately.
Still, people will understand their meaning together because they hear other people using this phrase.
Non-native speakers sometimes have a hard time with idioms. They might not know what an idiom means, or they might understand it but not know how and when to use it the right way.
Some idioms are only used by some groups of people or at certain times. The idiom shape up or ship out is a warning, for example.
It is like saying that you must improve your behavior or you might be asked to leave.
You would not say this to a friend except as a joke. But a boss might use this phrase when he is chewing out an employee. Notice the idiom chewing out.
To learn a language, a person needs to learn the words in that language and how and when to use them.
But people also need to learn idioms separately, because certain words together or at certain times can have different meanings.
In order to understand an idiom, one sometimes needs to know the culture from which the idiom comes.
Some idioms have an interesting history behind them, but a speaker does not have to know this history to use the phrase properly.
For example, many English speakers have heard or used the phrase, "no room to swing a cat," which means there is not much space.
However, not many people know this phrase is 200 years old and comes from a time when sailors were punished by whipping.
The whip that was used was called a cat-o'-nine-tails. Before a sailor could be punished, a big space was cleared on the ship so that the person doing the whipping had enough room to swing a cat.
Here are some other idioms. Have you ever heard them? Break a leg, a way to wish someone good luck. Kick the bucket, to die. Crocodile tears, to act sad about something when you don't really care.
Wild goose chase, a useless trip or search for something. Pay through the nose, pay a lot of money. Spill the beans, tell a secret.